Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch this live demo of our biometric health assessment. Up on the screen, you can see I'm already in our demo app. I'm going to select the new button at the bottom and select health assessment. It's going to bring me into a profile page, which I will answer the questions. I'll pause slightly on the questions so you can have a quick read, but then you need to answer those questions as honestly as you can. So I'm just going to make my way through the questions. And then it will take me to the next screen. So what will pop up on screen is the next stages that we have to go through, which is an anxiety survey, a depression survey, and a cardiovascular health, which is the face scan. So I'm going to start the anxiety survey. Again, I'll pause slightly on the questions so you can have a quick read, but you need to answer these as honestly as you possibly can. So up will pop a completion screen, and then it will take me, I need to click continue, and it will take me into the depression survey. So the first time answering those questions, it may take you those 2 to 3 minutes to read through them properly to then input your answer. There is my completion screen, and now I'm going to start the face scan. So it's going to come in and walk me through avoid exercise, remain calm. You need to breathe through the full 30 seconds. Now here I've already got my details completed, so all my credentials. Just double check that everything is correct: biological sex, height, weight, date of birth, and then my questions that I've already pre-answered because I've done scans prior. I'm going to click continue. So then this is just a guide to say you need to have even lighting over your face. You need to make sure you remove eyeglasses, sunglasses, baseball cap, face mask, and then position your face in the circle. You're looking for a minimum of 3 stars for the quality of the scan. So I'm actually going to turn to the window because I'll have a lot better natural light. The scan or the screen will calibrate and find that stars at the bottom, and then it will give me a countdown, and then I'm going to stop talking and just breathe. So as you will have seen, my live heart rate flashed up on screen after about 10 seconds. And so that will just obviously indicate your live heart rate. You do need to make sure you remain breathing normally during the 30-second face scan. So we're just waiting for that to process. It can take a little bit of time while I'm live streaming. However, up will pop all of my results on screen. Here we go. So now I've completed the face scan. My next step is a health at rest. Now this is actually a 2-minute lying down PPG scan, which is over the camera of your phone. I've actually shortened it for this demo so that I don't just lie on the floor for 2 minutes while you watch, but I will lie down and show you how I hold the phone and be able to take that PPG finger scan. So again, there's just a step-by-step. Avoid exercise, you want to remain calm, breathe normally. So it'll be 2 minutes. I'm just going to, it's been shortened for 30 seconds for the live demo, but I will just lie down on the floor. So I'm going to opt to start the scan, and you can see that I'm just going to position my finger over the camera. It will then beep. You will hear the beep, and then it will start the scan as soon as I have my finger positioned correctly over that camera. So if I have moved at any time during that scan, the scan will have restarted at the 2-minute mark. So you need to really make sure that you are lying nice and still and you're not moving around. So it's indicated here that I've got a high resting heart rate, and that's probably because I'm doing the live demo and because it was only a 30-second scan. This would usually be a 2-minute scan. So the next stage through is a body composition. So I'm going to show you how I've got this set up on my table. So I've already checked and made sure that my information is correct. Click continue, and then you can go through these information screens. So I'm going to click continue. It'll give me an idea about the clothing that's required, the lighting and the background, and then also the phone height. So the camera of the phone needs to be around your hip height. And then once you know where that is in the house, make sure those circles are aligned. Now we've got green zone showing on mine. So this will give you live feedback as to where to stand. You'll position yourself in the outline. The 3-second countdown, turn to the left. Now it's dotted when I'm not in the outline, and then it becomes full. Once I am in the outline, and then those results will also flash up on screen. So the reason why we have this skeleton turned on for the live demo is just to show where the joints are, and so that you can ensure that you're fully encapsulated into that outline, which is specific to you and the data that you put in. And there we have my results. So clicking on the next stage, so we actually have a fitness assessment, which was the small ladder that I've got in the background, just to give you an idea. So it's a 3-minute step-up test. The phone will vibrate and beep in the speed, in the rhythm that you should step up and then step down. I have shortened this for the live demo, so it's only going to be 10 seconds. So it will be a quick countdown, but I will set the ladder up, and you can see that it will be a up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down on the beep. So I'm going to do this fitness assessment, and it'll only be for 10 seconds. The step you need to make sure is between 15 and 51 centimetres. And I'm actually going to opt for 15 centimetres because I'm just going to step onto this low height. Then it will say to start, and then it will give me that quick 10-second countdown, but it will usually be 3 minutes. Up, down, down. My phone is vibrating. I've got the sound turned down so it doesn't echo. And then the finger scan, so this is your recovery heart rate scan, is usually at 1 full minute, but I've shortened it down for 30 seconds for the demo. Now this, you can be seated. It's exactly the same as the lying down. I'm going to position my finger over the camera and sit quietly. So this is the end of the process. Once you've done this final finger scan, the whole biometric health assessment has been finalised. Now up will come my results here, and then as I click exit, there will be a pop-up that says, would you like to email the report? Yes, I would like to email the report. That will take a matter of about 5 to 10 seconds, and I'm actually going to airdrop it into this phone to show you as soon as it lands. All right, so I've just received it. I'm going to download the report. And I'm going to airdrop it. And here is my 4-page assessment. So it goes through, it has your headings and then gives you context of each of those paragraphs, and will give you a red, amber or green rating. There you can see my blood pressure risk is 121/77. My body composition, all in the red, amber, greens. Into my blood biomarkers. And then finally on the last page is your mental health and depression risk outcomes. There is my full biometric health assessment report. Thank you very much for taking the time in viewing, and please reach out if you have any questions.